SEPTA is a major part of the Temple community, especially for commuter students. After the scare of budget cuts over the summer, commuting to campus is back to normal.
I was genuinely devastated when I heard that they were cutting, I guess stops. I was like, how am I gonna spend my time now with my friends?
All SEPTA services have been restored, like all bus services and all rail lines and subway services.
On August 24th, a 20% service cut began across SEPTA services. On September 4th, a judge ruled that SEPTA must restore all of their services, but they could enact a fare increase. On September 8th, Governor Shapiro directed PennDOT to allow $394 million in SEPTA's capital expenses to be allocated for daily operation services. On September 14th, all SEPTA services went back into effect, along with implementing the 21.5% fare increase. Temple commuters are relieved that services are back, but they're still nervous about the effects of another possible round of cuts. Senior commuter Lenice Gruen says that she hopes SEPTA will move forward instead of moving back.
Getting a lot more drivers in. I think that was the main issue with the cuts, which is why the buses were kind of running every hour or so. So providing more jobs for people, I think obviously would help me as a commuter.
For now, SEPTA is safe from any cuts. Reporting for Temple Update, I'm Kevin Gruen.